Justins to weld his diff and weld in like some toe bracket things for his E30, so he can have some toe adjustment on the back of his E30, so we can, or is it toe? I think it's camber adjustment, so we can get rid of the camber in the back, get some better tread wear.
I just don't know what to do now.
It's on. So probably bring the speed up, like right there,
Okay.
and then make it as hot as possible. Which one's the hot? Probably this one, D.
No clue. What's D mean?
Let's get the
do we
the
turn
bar
that? We
thing.
turn this. Gonna have to cut that down probably.
So what are we doing?
No idea. Trying to weld.
So we're trying to weld Justin's diff. He had LSD before. And then these are the brackets. They go right here, drill them out, weld them on there. So you get some more adjustment for, is it camber or towel? Both. All the above.
So we can take the camber out and fix this up.
And it'll be good.
I don't know how to use this thing. It's good.
How is it?
No. So I guess like start fresh on the other side. But then it's gonna be fine. The fucking plate's not gonna come out.
Yeah. I mean, I would load it up a little bit more. Just go from like that down.
Like the gear down.
Yeah, from like onto the plate.
That was awful.
You think it'll hold?
But
You think it'll hold?
yeah, sure. Why not?
What are we doing?
What?
You can tell we know what we're doing.
Yeah, right. This is the worst thing I've ever seen. Yeah, that's what we wanted to happen.
Looking good though. You gonna date it after this?
Oh yeah. Really?
We're cleaning out for half a day.
We need another fucking plate now.
Raw dog in it.
Mr. T with the three bump jump.
He loved that.
Was he laughing when he got home?
Yeah. So what you do, you grind a plate a little bit bigger than the gears, so you weld it to the gears because we can't weld just the four corners because we suck.
We definitely suck.
And then it makes it a little better. You just tack it so it doesn't move. Holy shit, huh?
Nice.
So I
Go out.
did it burn you at all?
No.
It's just clean the diff out for us, you know? Dude, one time, I had my coworker. We got this thing globbed up in there. What do you think?
Looks good.
You proud of it?
What?
You proud of it?
No. Not at all.